Yo.
Yo.
Review Assassin's back. I'm hungry, so we're starting the video. What?
It's backwards.
Hello, bro! It's not backwards to them.
But it's backwards.
It's backwards to you. Everything is backwards to you. All right, what we got? We got this Chef Robert Irving's Fit Crunch. Now, let me preface, I've had one before.
I have not.
The homie showed it to me.
Who's the homie?
Nick.
Shout out.
Devin.
Devin showed you this?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Then now I really trust it.
All right, so now there's 30 grams of protein here, 6 grams of sugar, not bad, but you have to understand that this is a 380 calorie bar.
I'm eating my so many
So this is like, there's a lot of calories for just a bar. So you need to know, like, this should be a meal supplement for some people. If you're trying to lose fat loss. What else is in there?
Just looking at it on the outside, the picture, it reminds me of a Snickers bar.
I'm done
There's
talking.
a ton of protein though.
30 grams of protein in here is pretty good.
But it's just a lot
Smells
of calories.
good. Looks kind of dope.
Does it look like a Snickers? It looks like a bumpy, caramelized Snickers. Wow. That's a lot of layers. There's a lot going on with that bite.
Crunchy,
Chewy.
chewy, like a Reese's peanut butter,
Well, there's peanut butter in there.
chocolate, crunch.
I like the little crunch bite things on top.
They're like a candy bar. That's why I got them. I really wanted candy.
You breathe so loud when you eat.
You bug me so loud when I eat. Wow. But this is really good, I ain't gonna lie.
It's a treat with a lot of protein and just a lot of calories.
Alright, out of 2 thumbs, what you think?
Well, I'm still eating it.
So, this is what you guys need to keep in mind. This is almost a 400 calorie snack, so know that if you guys are on a certain calorie restriction, you need to know this is 400 of it. So, there is a lot of protein in it, but there is fats, there is carbohydrates, that's why all the calories are a lot. So, keep that in mind. Now, would I rather you have this for 400 calories than 2 slices of pizza? Yeah, maybe.
Probably.
If, it depends what your goals are, but pretty good. Really good, actually. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up because I haven't tasted a protein bar this good, even though it's more than just a protein bar. It's a carb bar and a fat bar. And
carb bar, fat bar. How much fat is in it? Is there a lot? Oh, yeah, there's a lot.
18 grams.
60.
16 grams. So, just keep that in mind. Know that this is going to taste really amazing, but if you're in a fat loss journey and you're really trying to lose weight, this is either going to be a meal replacement for you or a no-go at all. So just keep that in mind.
I'm struggling between 1 thumb and 2 thumbs. I gave 2 thumbs to the complete cookie review, but it had a lot of calories. So I kind of feel guilty giving this 1 thumb, but I'm going to give it 1 thumb just because I like it. But I'm
waiting in anticipation.
If I were going to get this or a cookie, like for the amount of calories, I would go with the cookie.
You would?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are good, and they're a little more expensive than the cookies. I think this was $3.29, and the
That's
cookie
true.
was
Yeah, we didn't talk about that
$2.
either.
So keeping cost into account too.
And I just
a little
like
more
the
expensive.
birthday cake cookie a lot better, so I'm kind of giving this 1 thumb with the thought of I'm judging it and comparing it to the cookie, just because I feel like they're super similar with the amount of calories. I'm getting chocolate all over me.
Chocolate all over Jamie. 3 thumbs up out of 4, and try it. So let us know. Leave a message, comment, subscribe.
And if you have ideas for us to try certain things, let us know.
What are you doing with your Power Ranger arms, man? What are you doing?
Well, my
Are you
arms
fighting
just look
someone?
really good in the video right now, so I kind of have to flex. Oh my Lanta.
LeBron, we
I
in
don't even
Dallas.
have to
But
flex.
LA, bro.
Anyways, Leave us a comment about something that you would like us to try, maybe that you've tried that you're like, I would like Beau and Jay's opinion.
Go Mavs! LA Brad! Woo! Woo!
Woo!
Eh.